John, you heard Jay Powell's comments. How worried should investors be about the Delta variant? Is it enough to derail the current market and economic recovery?
Dom, I don't think it is enough to derail the economic recovery that's in process, or enough to derail the equity market's trajectory higher. I do think that it could bring some volatility naturally. On any given day, you could see a catalyst that could provide some near-term opportunity to take some profits off the table for nervous investors, bears, and skeptics. But for intermediate-term investors, we think this is an opportunity to hold the course, steady on the course.
So steady on the course means that you should just either be invested fully right now or keep committing capital to the markets. What exactly then does an investor do with markets at or near record highs that still want to be somewhat in your camp of being bullish? What exactly do they then do? What is the allocation strategy?
Well, we've been living at record market highs for quite a while over the course of the last 11 years coming out of the financial crisis. So what we'd have to say here is for this particular crisis exit, we'd have to say be broadly diversified. You want to own growthier value and garpier or growth at a reasonable price type of growth. You want to be diversified across large caps, mid caps, and small caps, because in this type of an environment that is highly transitional on a day-to-day basis, the market tends to rotate and rebalance as it moves towards an economic recovery that can be reflected very positively in the equity markets.
Can you tell us, John, what types of companies and what types of industries do you find the GARP trade that you're talking about, the growth at a reasonable price? Where do you look for those?
Particularly, we find them in, we would find those in consumer discretionary and in information technology. The more established companies, the companies that are prone to continue a move towards e-commerce, big data, the cloud, and we do believe you will also find opportunities within the more technology-oriented areas of the industrials.
Is there a favorite spot that you have right now that you would commit money to?
Favorite spot would be in technology at this point. We don't think we're going back to either the abacus or the slide rule. We think that the words from the larger chip producer in the world is that by the end of the fourth quarter, a lot of the shortage, at least for the auto industry, should be ameliorated. So we remain very positive.
All right. And just finally, just 10 seconds left here. Where would you stay away from?
Probably at this point would stay away from consumer staples. We don't think it's the play here.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.